Yeah, it's like pitch black and you can't see anything, but this is about it. A lot of rain and a tiny bit of wind and no power. Nothing intense. Too intense. Here it is.
Just sitting in the car charging my phone.
I got one shot. You lose the love and respect. That's where the trust stop. New work, top drop. I roll up every 15 minutes like a bus stop.
Walking around and assessing the damage. I saw a broken mailbox.
I'm hiding from the hurricane under a tree with big branches.
Hurricane's been going on forever. It's even windy in the car. I see something that will.
There's so much water, we found a boat to use. I also found a mailbox that is not broken. We have a hurricane survivor. I repeat, a survivor.
Here comes the rain. Doo-doo-doo-doo.
Hurricanes are coming!
I came outside to make a hurricane video, and then I realized a neighbor was standing there staring at me, and I couldn't ask that weird. So, that's all.
So I've been sitting here with my door open because I wanted to show everybody that every time I open my door, the hurricane wind is so strong, it just slams the door on me like an asshole. And guess what? The hurricane must be dying because nothing's happening with my door. Life just got really boring. I just realized the wind's blowing the wrong way. Can't move my car. We're facing the opposite direction, so the wind is actually blowing my door open, and maybe life isn't that boring. Oh, okay, life's kind of cool. Did you see that? So I know everyone has their own way of dealing with things, but I just gotta say, if there's a hurricane, you lose power, you know what you do? You sit in the car, you feel the wind rock your car, you charge that cell phone because that's about the only entertainment you're gonna get in your life for a while. And you do this. And like
Can't defeat me, Hurricane. I got the grill.
Here we are, trudging through deep water, trying to survive. Oh no, that poor newspaper. It just couldn't survive.
So I decided I should be like, you know, kind of like a good person and walk around the neighborhood just to see if like, you know, anything horrible happened, if people needed help. But then I saw this. A boarded up house. Like, I didn't even do that. People around here are fine. I'm gonna go home and finish my wine. Okay, seriously, one of the worst things I've seen so far. A lamppost without a lamp. Oh my god, hurricane disaster. How will I get around it? Okay, is that supposed to be a tree or a bush or what? I don't know if it was like that before the hurricane or if, I don't know. It's supposed to be like that. Ew. Sign's a little crooked. Sign's a little crooked.
How on earth will you park your car? There to try to flee from the terror of the hurricane. A hurricane that is over.